Hello, greeting from Indonesia. Today I will show you how to make a client server workstation, and I will show you how to share your folder or your drive from the server and access from client. Here I'm using my real personal computer as a server, and in this workstation as a client, this virtual machine as a client. Okay, let's begin. First time, what you have to do is make sure which folder you want to share. I will try this. We'll make this share folder sample. Okay, see, what you have to do first is right click here and choose share with, and then choose specific people, and then in these people let's choose everyone. So every user which has a name, a member of user or administrator in other computers can access this folder. Alright, just let's click add. Okay, okay, this is already here. If you click add, it will come below, and then which one you use. If you have any privilege you want to limit, you just use read only, or if you want to share for real in office or maybe in some which the partner have good relation with you, just read and write. Okay, so make sure you trust that person. Alright, and let's continue. Just click share, and then it will show you the share folder here. It will be in your computer name, and then share folder sample. Done. Alright, to make sure your folder is accessible from a client, you can throw direct to client. Alright, let's start. Let's move to client personal computer. Okay, here, this is my client. Don't think this is virtual. This virtual is also same as personal computer. If you have make a personal computer, it will be the same. See, in before tutorial I make this IP address is the same in neighbor, same neighbor. See, 1.9, and my server is 1.10. Okay, now let's just go in the client computer. Just go to Windows Explorer and click network. Default from the Windows installation, the network discovery and file sharing are turned off. Network computer as end device are not visible. Click to change. Let's click it and turn on. Just turn it on and click yes. Okay, you have to choose this. So which one you use in the network? Alright, the model network in my computer is public network. You can see, I will show you here. This is my network, this public network. Alright, and then let's see the details. See, this is the public network. Okay, don't look this. This is the VMware Workstation network, which is created automatically by VMware software. Okay, this is my IP address server 1.10, and then this is my client. In the client, make sure same network models. I'm using public, just sharing for all public network. Right, see, it's done for the sharing folder. Here I'm using in this computer. Okay, Let's see what we have before. Share folder sample. See, this is share folder sample that I made before in my computer server. This is the computer server. Looks the different. Looks the different. Okay. Now this is the client, and then this is the server. I made here in this partition. I made one folder, share folder sample. Oh, sorry. Okay. In this client, if you want to make as a drive like this for your folder, you just go to the computer that's shared with you and then right click in the folder and then choose this map network drive. Alright, it will bring you direct which drive do you want to use. See, the drive that you choose will appear here after finish the set. Okay, let's try to use this as Z. Reconnect at logon. Connect using different credential. Alright, reconnect at logon, that's maybe it's easy to understand, but this one, connect user using different credential, means if you protect your server password or the computer which is shared with another computer which is have a real folder here, if you make a password that you have to log in using this credential, means you have to log in with user and password protection that your administrator or the owner of that computer set up before. I didn't use any password because somehow I always forgot what I say or what I did or what I remember. I always forgot. Just leave the password. If any error, I just fix it. Sombong amat. Okay, drive Z. Let's start and click finish. See, I have drive share here in Z, folder share here. Okay, it's done for sharing. I made this before, read and write, so we can write here. This is folder from client, and then I will try to make example, make one archive here, file sample. See here, I'm done creating the folder in the drive, and then I'm done also creating some sample file. Let's check in the server computer here, share folder sample. If you refresh here, it will show you what I made before in the client computer. See, it's easy to share your folder, public folder, to client computer, right? And done. This is the share. You can do anything you want in the client and then monitoring the server. If you don't like what client made from through that sharing folder, you can delete it. And here also delete it. It's gone. See, I'm done sharing one folder. Another folder, if you want to share, same like before. If you want to send share drive also, just right click in the drive and then click the properties and click the sharing tab and advanced sharing. See, it will show you also how many users you will can access this drive. You can just add E on server. Okay, the share name, permission, add, everyone, the permission is allowed, apply, okay, apply, and okay. See, I just share this E through the public connection. See, let's see which one I made. This is E on server. This is the E drive on server. If you want to make drive also same as before, map network drive, and choose which one you want, the drive letter you want. See what we have here. This is the folder as a drive, and then this is the drive in the server as a drive in the client. Same as before, same as server, same, everything is the same. You can read and write because I didn't protect any at all. But if I make this in my office, so I will make some privilege to some user. In the next tutorial I will show you how to make privilege for some user in the workstation. Alright, enough for today. This sharing is helpful to you to share any folder or any file with others in one workstation. Alright, then thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.